I'm Ed with TRX450R. We've got a 400 here that we built to market it towards the 14, 15-year-olds in the GNCC. They're not allowed to hop onto 450s until they're 16 years old, so a lot of them are making a jump from the Raptor 250 to the 400 class. We needed to get something that was reliable, so we went up to CT Racing to get a reliable torquey motor. Alan ended up putting a package together for us that can run with a pipe 06 450R. It's a good stepping stone for those guys doing a midway jump in the GNCC class.
I'm Alan Knowles from CT Racing. Behind me is a 400EX project bike we work with TRX450R building. We've built motors for Ed TRX450R, the owner of that company, since the early 90s. He's won Best in Desert championships for us, got a lot of experience. This bike's actually for his daughter, so second generation motor build, I guess I am. That just makes me old. But anyhow, this 400EX is a really cool project. The motor that we built for it was real similar to our 440 kit that we advertised. Just kept it small to make it legal for the 400 class, just a smaller piston. We go in there, port the head, do a radius 5-angle valve job. Most of the time when people send us the heads, we take it apart, clean it, prep it, do all the work, put it back together, assemble it, so they get it ready just to put on there, hang the cam chain, and away they go. Bump the compression up on the thing so it's got lots of bark. The 400EX is a good, reliable motor. It's great for the class. It's the right bike for a lot of people. Motor-wise, we get these things in the mid-40s for horsepower, even as a 400. That's pretty dang competitive. With a good rider, you can keep right up with the 450s. The motor package we offer for this, it's a complete deal. Pipe, carb, silencer. It's a comprehensive kit. It's kind of plug and play when you get it. Jetting's dialed. Easy to do. When we do this package, carburetor, a lot of times we use, if it's unlimited budget, back in the race day, the 400EX, we use the FCR carburetor. It's about a $600 carburetor. For this one, what we use, and we've had a lot of customers do it and have good success, is we just get the bolt the carburetor off the 0405 450 Honda. There's lots of those things laying around where guys have plucked those off and stuffed on the FCRs off the 06s, and so they're readily available on eBay around town. Might have one laying in your garage. Grab that carburetor and stuff it on. Jet it. It's bigger than the stock 400EX carburetor. Works out great, and they stay reliable. We've run these things for years cross country and motocross and everything else. It's just a bulletproof package. This bike's got a uni filter on it. I'm a big fan of a foam filter in dusty conditions. This bike lives in dusty conditions, so clean oil, clean air, happy motor will last longer. Bad for me, I can use the money, so I'd say never clean the filter.